Hello guys, this is Glowy again. This video is a quick and easy tutorial on how to make your Easter photo come to life. Let's start making those ordinary Easter photos into an extraordinary, more colorful, and more memorable one. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Edge. The photo editor that we're going to use works better in Edge than in Google Chrome. Then on the search box, type PIZAP, then on the drop box, choose PZAP Photo Editor. Then click Edit a Photo Online. Click Start. If this screen appears, just click Enable Flash. Choose Classic PZAP. Then it will ask you to select a photo, so click Computer and look for the photo that you wanted to work on. If you can't see the Edit Photo tools, just click the basic edit icon on the top. I want to brighten up this picture a little bit more, so I'll drag the brightness control higher. I'll put the contrast a little higher too, so I can make the colors more sharper. I'll add a little bit of saturation. You can also change the color by dragging this color tool up and down. I wanted to stick on my original color, so I'm just gonna leave it at the middle. I wanted to add some text, so I'll click the T icon on the top. It's an Easter photo, so I'll put Happy Easter 2018. You can change the color and the size to something you want to. I'm satisfied with the white color and the blue glow on it, so I'm not going to change anything. Then click OK to apply the changes. I wanted to add some stickers, so I'm gonna click this heart icon on the top, and I wanted to choose Easter sticker, so I'm gonna choose the Easter. Select and click the sticker that you want. You can choose as much as you want, but I only like one sticker, which is the baby bunny with the egg. The next is I wanted to add a border, so I'm gonna click the border icon on the top. There's a lot of choices under border, but I just want a simple one, so I'm just gonna choose simple. Under simple borders, there's a lot of choices you can try as long as it don't have a pro sticker on it. You will need to pay to use the borders with pro stickers. And if you don't like the border that you have tried, just click remove. Click save on the top. Click save again to save it to the location that you want. So that's it guys, very easy, right? Now we can share it directly to our Facebook, email, Twitter, and to PZAP too. What are you waiting for? Try it with your Easter photos and send me your best one on the comment box below. Please leave your questions and comments in the comment box as well, and I will try to answer it as best as I can. See you next time guys!